Found an HM4 file in Legacy Windows Software Development Materials. This is a help file project from the classic Windows 95 era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these vintage help file project files. Pro tip for HM4. Files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. An HM4 file is a project file created by the Microsoft Help Workshop, a tool used to author help systems for Windows 95 and 98 applications. Users, typically software developers, would encounter this file during the process of creating and compiling the final HLP help file for their software. This is a text-based project file, likely in an INI-style format. It contains references to topic files, RTF, image assets, and configuration settings that instruct the help compiler, HCW.exe, how to assemble the various components into a single, navigable, and indexed binary HLP file for distribution. The HM4 file originated with and is formally handled by Microsoft Help Workshop, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows can present the content, but editing styles, layout, or graphics requires specialized programs. To start the process, right-click your HM4 file and select Open With. If you have Microsoft Help Workshop installed, test that first. If not, try another option. You need to systematically check compatibility. If your HM4 file still refuses to open, stay calm. We just proved the problem is deeper. Quickly perform these 3 diagnostic actions to find the source of the error. First, opening with Help Workshop. Install Microsoft Help Workshop, the original authoring tool for WinHelp files. Launch the application and use File then Open to load the HM4 project. Help Workshop displays project sections, topic files, and build settings, allowing you to inspect or rebuild the help system from source. Next, viewing in text editor. HM4 files are plain text and can be opened in Notepad, Notepad++, or any text editor for direct viewing of project contents. The structured sections use INI-like syntax, making it straightforward to identify reference RTF topic files, map IDs, and configuration parameters for the help build. Finally, migrating to modern help systems. For ongoing maintenance, migrate the help project to a modern format like CHM or HTML using tools like help-in-doc or help-in-manual. Reference the HM4 project to identify source topics and structure, then recreate the help system in current authoring tools that produce contemporary help formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.